Hello beautiful people, welcome to my kitchen, welcome to another recipe. Today I want to be showing you how to make a simple samosa from scratch. One amazing thing about this video is that I am going to show you how to make the samosa skin, the samosa filling all in one video. Guys, stay with me from the beginning to the end of this video. As normal, if you have any question you can drop it in the comment section. I'll be more than excited to answer. And in the course of the video, I'm going to be giving you an interesting story that inspired this samosa recipe. Let's go, guys. Over to our story. So I am making this samosa for my pregnant friend. By the time I'll be releasing this video, God's willing, she's gonna be a mother to a bouncing baby girl. She actually called me and told me she has been craving for samosa. I promised her that I was going to make samosa for her before she gives birth, knowing fully well that she's going to travel down to Jos to give birth because her doctor is here in Jos, but she does not reside in Jos. On a fateful Saturday morning, she called me and was bitterly complaining. Guys, do you know what happened to her? She went to a wedding. To her greatest surprise, they were sharing samosas. For God's sake, why should you see a pregnant woman and you're sharing samosa and you will not give her? You know how pregnancy cravings can be. It's no respecter of persons. When you are craving for something when you are pregnant, it does not respect environment, not the person sharing, nothing. So unfortunately, she couldn't get that samosa. She called me and was telling me, can you believe they refused to give me samosa? And she said, my sister, you just have to make samosa for me. And that day I took it to her and I told myself, no matter what it will take, God's willing, I am going to make this samosa for her. And this her baby is going to eat my samosa before we welcome her into the world. So guys, it happened that on a Saturday morning I told my husband, okay, I think we can go see them. My husband now called them and told them, okay, they should be expecting us because we will be coming. But I did not tell her that I was coming with samosa. I just wanted to surprise her. When my husband called, she picked the call and was like, oh my God, had it been you are at home, I would have told Mom, is able to get some snack for me. My husband was like, you know, my husband can play the game so well. My husband was like, okay, I'm not home right now. I also wish I'm home, but I am not home. You know, so my husband called me. I was like, oh, see the wish of this woman. I now told him, yeah, you played the game so well. Let's just be quiet because I want to surprise her. You know, the feeling of getting your cravings satisfied during pregnancy cannot be compared to anything in this world. I am telling you. So I am super excited. When I walked into their house, I hugged her and told her, surprise, surprise, you should guess what I brought. She was like, OMG. She never expected it because she was like, what is even holding us? We told them we were coming around 4 p.m. We ended up going 6 p.m., you know, because I had to get everything set and ready for her. And I made this with love. I was being careful what I was going to give her because I wanted her to enjoy. I wanted the baby in her womb to leap for joy. Do you get? During my time, I was craving for amala. I can never forget that amala I took a day before Ziba was born. Like that was just the best food for me on earth. I didn't even care. That was just the best thing that would have happened to me. For me to get my amala, you know, it was just yummy. So guys, this is me prepping this and I am wishing her nothing but the best. Her daughter is gonna grow up and she will see this video. She will see that I honored her cravings because yeah, it wasn't the mother, it was the baby that was actually craving for samosas. I am super excited to do that. Children are a blessing from God. Enjoy the rest of the video, guys. watching my video. Do not forget how we do it. Click on the subscribe button, like the video, drop a comment, good comments. Okay, I love you. Do have a blessed and a beautiful day, guys. Bye.